One person is dead and several others injured following a motor vehicle collision along the Bog Walk Gorge in St. Catherine this morning. As we hear in this report from Cody and Barrett, the crash resulted in a public passenger bus plunging into the Rio Cobre.
After 11 Tuesday morning, it was being hauled out the river and onto a wrecker. All 13 persons involved in the crash were already rushed to hospital. One fatality was reported. A woman, identified as 59-year-old Valerie Ennis of White House Housing Scheme, Linstead in the parish. The other vehicle involved in the accident was already loaded onto a wrecker. Police arrived on the scene within minutes, and as they cleared the area, there was a major traffic pileup. According to reports, the collision occurred around 9:30 a.m.
The Toyota Fielder was heading towards Spanish Town and the bus was heading towards Bog Walk when the Fielder overtook a line of traffic and went into the path of the bus and caused the bus to plunge into the river.
To ensure no more bodies were left behind, divers were brought in.
We will continue to search the area to see if there's anybody inside there. We've asked for the assistance to get divers. Some divers were here earlier, but because of the murkiness of the water, they're unable to see. So we are not 100% sure if anybody else was thrown from the vehicle inside.
Counselor for the Angels Division, Patricia Harris, was also on location. She pointed to recent reports of incidents along the gorge in the days and is renewing calls for a retaining wall.
I have spoken in council as it relates to a retaining wall project in the gorge. We had a meeting with NWA. And I'm appealing to authorities, please, if we could get a retaining wall project in the gorge, maybe if we had a wall, a proper retaining wall, then the vehicle would not have plunged into the river and a life would not be lost.
Both drivers have been breathalyzed and warned for prosecution. The Bog Walk police are investigating. Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, there are renewed calls from divers this evening for compensation for saving lives. Following the crash along Bog Walk Gorge and the incident last week in which a woman drove her motorcar off Flatbridge, one diver is reminding of the long-standing issue in which they are neglected after heading into murky waters to save lives.
Anytime we do them thing around here, we don't get no assistance from nobody at all, no government, nobody at all. You see right now, you see what going on? In our water vehicle go. I see all the way around here, we are trying to help. And when this over, nothing we not hear again, nothing we not get, no help at all.
According to the diver, the treatment they have received has left them feeling less than willing to help.
Look, we stay now and they recommend them in the water, and the policeman them, and the fireman them, and not only as the video personnel. And we, I'm a friend of go in there, and anything for go on, and we have to help.